Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to check the warranty of your HP ELITEBOOK 855. So first what we need to do is flip our laptop right in here, and as you can see here we have the serial number and the warranty. So I'll just take a photo of it because we would need it later. Let me just focus. Okay. Now flip it once again. Okay, and now open the browser. Type in HP warranty check. Open the link. Let me just change the language here. Okay. A region of purchase. We need to find it. Select your own. Here. And serial number right now, so I need to type in from the photo 5CG05T96. Is it V or Y? I think it's Y. Submit. Unable to match, so let me just check it. Okay, and now it is working. It was 1 and not T. So here we have the warranty. As you can see, it is expired in my case. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.